Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Keep on joining, guys. We'll just start in some time, okay? Are you able to see my screen, all of you? Let me know. Okay, good, Jasmine. All right, keep on joining in. We'll start in some time, okay? We'll start in like a minute or two. Something went wrong with the meeting. Just wait, guys. Good morning, Krishnaveni. Good morning, Samskriti. Okay, so this is about me, guys. My name is Sheva Khan. Rest is there on the screen. If you wish to know about me, just you can read it out. Okay. All right. So this will be your first article of the day, guys. AY.1 or AY.1 is not a variant of concern, says the center. Okay. It has been found in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Okay. So just keep the name in mind. Keep on joining. I'll start in like 30 seconds because today less participants have joined. I don't know. So please join quickly. And yes, anybody who is there from YouTube with us. So very shortly, link will be shared with you. All right. So you can directly click on that link to participate in the quiz, or even you can go to www.menti.com. And there will be first link which will ask you to join a presentation. Just click on it, and then you have to enter this passcode, which is 30340477. Okay, guys, please make sure that you're there on Menti quiz as well. I can see very less participants on Menti quiz. Please click on both the links, guys. I've been telling this like since 2 months now. Okay, please make sure that you have clicked on both the links that I have shared. Dharani, Menti is not loading. Okay, wait, let me refresh it from here. Okay. Just refresh from your own server as well once. Okay, I'm refreshing. Let me know if it's happening now or not, okay? Let me know, guys, if it's working for you or not. And please make sure you're there on Menti quiz also, okay? Okay, now it's working fine. Please, others also join in quickly over here, okay? I'm starting the quiz then. Okay, guys. All right, I'm starting the quiz. First question is, which one of the following variants have not been considered as variants of concern yet? Your options are, you can just consider these ones, okay? 501y.v1, 501y.v3 or p.1, or ay.1, or none of the options. Come on, guys, I just had mentioned it to you. It was there in the first one, actually. The first word in the headline was this. Okay. Still good amount of confusion. It's okay. Maybe you could not follow the article very diligently. It's okay. So AY.1 is the correct answer, guys. Okay. So this is still not being considered as a very dangerous or a very, a variant of concern till now. Okay. And hopefully does not turn out to be. Okay. Let's see the second question, question number 2. Said in global body, GSAD stands for, yesterday itself, guys, we discussed, remember? Sharing altered infection data, sharing all infections data, sharing all influenza data, or shared altered influenza details. Come on, guys, yesterday itself we did it. Okay. So, good amount of confusion. Guys, yesterday I told you, see, wait, I will just open it out to you. Okay. Yes. Yes. So guys, it was, remember, the GI was the global initiative, all right, on sharing all influenza data. Okay, it is not infections data. It was on all influenza data. So the correct answer would be option 3, which only 25% of you have answered. Okay, so please be careful. It is influenza data, not, it is not infections data. Okay, all right. An acquittal with no good but the bad and ugly. All right, so the criminal justice system must observe the basics of a proper investigation, judicial fairness, and the survivor's rights. So all very important things have been shared in this article. Okay. All right, let's see question number 3rd. Under IPC Section 228A, which of the following is dealt with? Very important thing actually it is. Your options are wrongful restraint, disturbing religious assembly, disclosure of identity of the survivor of rape by anyone is punishable, or attempt to commit suicide. Okay, very good. So there is almost an equal, there is an equal between wrongful restraint and disclosure of identity of the survivor of rape by anyone is punishable. Okay, so Section 228A deals with that if anyone, he or she tries to disclose the identity of a rape survivor, because in our society specifically, if that person herself, wants to come out at the forefront in front of the society, then obviously it's fine. But if somebody, deliberately tries to do this, then it is considered to be punishable under Section 228A of the Indian Penal Code. Okay, so disclosure of identity of the survivor of rape by anyone is punishable. All right. Okay, guys, let me give you a question on this when we talk about disclosure of something. For example, there is a person who went for a normal checkup, his blood checkup or something, and it is found out that he is suffering from a disease that is communicable. Let's say, for example, he's suffering from AIDS. Okay. Now, what happens is that the doctor who had performed this test on that person also got to know that this person is going to get married. And when he tells this person that you are suffering from AIDS, so he says that, okay, fine, but you do not need to tell it to anybody, which means that he shows his willingness to still get married, which definitely proves that his partner, his wife or her partner, that means husband, any way the case be, right, would also definitely would also suffer due to AIDS because this person is not willing to tell the truth. So in such a situation, the doctor, he tells the would-be spouse of this person that this person is suffering from AIDS, and so you should be careful if you want to get married to this person. So do you think that the normal general rule that the doctors have to follow, that they do not, there is that is of secrecy, that they do not have to, or they cannot tell about their patients medical history or medical reports to anybody else, do you think that the doctor here will be wrong or right? What do you think if he told this thing to his would-be spouse? Okay. So Sanvi, Jasmine, and Anshika say that he would be right in doing so. Krishnavani also says that he would be right in doing so. Anybody else has any other, contention? Bhavdharani also says that he would be right. Why do you think he would be right, guys? Is he not violating the right to privacy? Okay, in good faith. Okay. Then Sanvi, what do you think? Like, why would this act of doctor be considered to be right? Okay. Okay, so disclosing to the partner in good faith or for her betterment and stuff. Yeah. So yes, generally we can say this because it was, and what is the name of this case in which this particular incident happened? Anybody? The name itself is very interesting, actually. Anybody can tell? I think it's a little, if you haven't read about it, I will give you the name. So this, guys, was the name of the case, and that's the real name of the case, Mr. X versus Hospital Z. Because then again, it was important that even though he having AIDS was disclosed to his would-be spouse, his would-be wife. But this doesn't mean that now we can, disclose it to the entire world, because definitely he had his, right to privacy. And even actually, the case, the time period of which this case is, right to privacy was not even a fundamental right back then, but still it was recognized. And the actual name of the case was Mr. X versus Hospital Z, because it was not considered to be right to disclose the name. Okay, so you can definitely quote this case anytime in your answers as well, that here also right to privacy was maintained. And because it was a matter of saving someone else's life, that is why the act of the doctor to have told his would-be wife about him suffering with AIDS was in good faith. And that is why he was not liable to any kind of encroachment or any kind of fraud, or any kind of dhokha or any kind of that stuff. Okay, so this was like a general trivia for you. Okay, let's move further. Let's see question number 4. Okay, who drafted the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Your options are A.V. Dicey, Macaulay, Lord Canning, or James Stephen. Indian Evidence Act. Okay, very good. So majority of you have given the correct answer. It is James Stephen. Okay, so always remember that the Indian Evidence Act was drafted by James Stephen. Okay. Let's move to the 5th question. Law of evidence is applicable on. Your options are criminal laws, civil laws, both, or none. I think this should be an easy question. In normal movies also, we see. Very good, guys. Yes. So the correct answer is both. Okay. So it is applicable definitely in the criminal laws and also in the civil laws. Okay. So this will be the right answer. Let's move to the leaderboard. Okay. All right. So Sanvi is currently leading the quiz. Then we have Bhavdharani, Ashwini, Sangam, Hema, Kapil, Samskruti, Tanmay, Krishnavini, and Khushpreet. Very good, guys. Let's see who wins the quiz. Okay, let's see question number 6. Okay. The word court under the Indian Evidence Act 1872 does not include which of the following? Your options are all the judges, all the magistrates, all persons legally authorized to take evidence, or arbitrator. So under the meaning of court, under the Indian Evidence Act, what it does not count. Okay, very good, guys. Yes. So again, most of you have given the correct answer in arbitrator. Okay, because anyway, guys, arbitrator, negotiator, conciliator, all these are outside the court, methods of resolving any particular issue, right? So when we call them the alternate dispute resolution. Now, why they are called as the alternate dispute? Because they can be done outside the court. Okay, so arbitrator is not included in this. Okay, very good. Let's move to question number 7. Okay, the post of Solicitor General of India is, your options are, this can be a tricky question. It is as, equivalent to the judges, as equivalent to the magistrates, it is constitutional or statutory. I don't want to, but I think a lot of you will commit, mistakes in this question. I knew, guys. The correct answer is statutory. Okay. See, the Solicitor General of India, basically, like we have the Attorney General. Okay, then we have the below the post of Attorney General, we have the Solicitor General. Okay, and then to assist the Solicitor General, we have the additional Solicitor Generals as well. Now, unlike Attorney General, which is a constitutional post, so yes, Attorney General under Article 76 is a constitutional post, but Solicitor General, guys, is a statutory post. Okay, it is not mentioned in the Constitution of India. Okay, yes, exactly, Sanvi. Attorney General is the constitutional post. Okay, so can you guys tell me that who is currently the Solicitor General of India. Oh wow, awesome guys. Okay, yes, 𝗚𝗢𝗢𝗓𝗓 is the correct. Yes, so Tanmay, about the statute, let me look into it. I will give it to you tomorrow. I was looking into it, but I could not find out the right one exactly. So I will tell you tomorrow, okay? So that which statute exactly do we have the Solicitor General of India? All right. Yes, A.K. Venugopal is the Attorney General. Very good, guys. So Tushar Mehta, please remember, is the Solicitor General currently, and A.K. Venugopal is the Attorney General. These also you should remember, okay? So please remember, Attorney General is a constitutional post, whereas, see, you can learn it like this, Attorney General, okay? So AC, okay? A, like we have the ACs in our home. So A goes with C, which is constitutional, and S goes with S itself, which is a solicitor to statutory, okay? So you can remember it that way. And even if you remember one, then also you can remember the other one. Okay, embracing cryptocurrency. Now this again talks about cryptocurrency, and as we know that El Salvador has become the first country in the world to legalize Bitcoin, right? So let's see what is the question from here. Okay. El Salvador became the first country in the world to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender. What is not true about a legal tender in India? That the currency notes are limited legal tender in India. Legal tender are recognized by the law of the land. Legal tender is valid money used for the payment of the debt, or all are true. Be very careful, guys. And in this, guys, I myself have some confusion. I also think that D should be the correct answer, but A has been marked. So I think we can like let it be for now.
No, ma'am, it won't be. It won't be D. It will be A because it is not legal in India. That's why it will be A.
Okay, currency notes are limited legally.
Ma'am, online bitcoins and cryptocurrency is not legal in India.
Yes,
That's why it
yes.
fits in that currency notes are limited legal tender, which is not. That's why A is the answer.
Okay, but okay, okay. All right, then I think I'll still have to read about it for more clarity. So guys, I think yes, okay, fine. So let's go. A is the correct answer, but this explanation I'll give you tomorrow, okay, as to what into detail I will tell you tomorrow, okay? Or maybe in today's newspaper analysis, if we take up this article, then we will cover it there itself, okay? Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm just a little confused because currency notes are limited legal tendering. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'll just take it tomorrow. Okay, just I think the option is correct for now. Okay, let's see. I will explain it to you tomorrow. Okay, let's move further with question number 9. Okay, what is the status of cryptocurrencies in India? Now, of course, you guys know. All right, your options are: you cannot buy cryptocurrency in India. It is a legal tender. Supreme Court in May 2020 declared it unconstitutional, or RBI has allowed trading in cryptocurrencies. The options, guys, please consider them very closely, okay? Let me see. Oh, okay. Not yet, guys. For this, RBI has yet not allowed trading in cryptocurrencies. And in India, you can buy cryptocurrencies, but the legal status is in a question. Okay, so it is definitely not a legal tender till now, unless you could have easily traded in cryptocurrency. But this, guys, is correct that in May 2020, if you remember, there was a Supreme Court judgment that came and it said that cryptocurrencies are unconstitutional in India. And even in that same judgment, the Supreme Court also said that we would recommend this to the RBI, that is the Reserve Bank of India, to have a legal, system of cryptocurrency, as in that if at all you do not want to, yes, name of the judgment, Tanmay, I have it written, and I will give this to you tomorrow. I was searching it into it, but there were a lot of judgments, so I could not honestly get the time to go through the one. I have the name of this judgment. I'll give you tomorrow. Okay. Yes. So the Supreme Court also recommended the RBI to have a legal, system of cryptocurrency. That if at all you do not want to go with Bitcoin or anything, it's fine. you can have your own cryptocurrency, which is legal in nature. Okay, so this is the correct statement about it. So I will give you the name of this judgment, the statute of Solicitor General, and the explanation for that question tomorrow. Okay. Okay, at least 15 killed in Somalia suicide attack. Big problem over there. All right, let's see the last question of the day, guys. Question number 10. Recently, bombings destroyed the Somalian capital. What is the capital of Somalia? Your options are Mogadishu, Kigali, Khartoum, or Nairobi. Okay. The correct answer, guys, is Mogadishu. Okay. So please remember. So the capital of Somalia is Mogadishu. Okay. So there is one general trivia question again, that Somalia as a country, where does it lie? As in, it is in Africa, we know. Okay. Now I know that it's in Africa. Which part of Africa does it lie? That part is actually has a specific name. We call it with a name because of its geographical shape. Tanmay, exactly, you are correct. Yes, it's East Africa, guys, but the area, yes, Sanvi, it's known as the Horn of Africa. So if you see that into the map, okay, it looks like, I will try to, wait, just give me a second, okay. See, it looks somewhat like this, okay. This is how that African map looks like. This is it. So here, guys, this area, this entire area is known as the Horn of Africa. Okay. So here we have Eritrea, Ethiopia, Somalia. Okay, all these countries, they form the part of Horn of Africa. So this part, as you can see, it looks like a horn. Okay, doesn't it look like a horn? So that is why this geographically is known as the Horn of Africa. Okay. Yes. So, all right. So, okay. Let's see the leaderboard. Who has won today's quiz? Okay. All right. So Sanvi is today's winner. Congratulations, Sanvi. Very good. Then we have Bhavdharini on the second position, Ashwini on third position, Sangam on fourth position, I think Tanmay on fifth position, Hema on sixth, Samskruti on seventh, Kapil on eighth, Khushpreet on ninth position, and Ankit on 10th position. Very good, guys. Very good. You guys are really doing great. And congratulations, special congratulations to you, Sanvi. And yeah, all right. Yes, Khushpreet, you were also correct with the Horn of Africa. Yes, so I think what I had to say, Jasmine has already said, to stay safe, to stay safe. Oh my God. Yeah, so to stay safe. Oh my God, this happens sometimes with me, guys, is there any word that you guys also face problem in pronunciating? Like, I'll give you an example. When I was young, I could not pronounce the word appliances. I don't know why I had so much problem in speaking appliances. I always used to say appliances. And I definitely knew right away, I knew that I'm speaking it wrong, but I could not help it. And similarly, I could not speak the word proprietary. I don't know, I had so much problem in doing that. Okay, so Jasmine, you have problem pronunciating. Oh, hard goes hurt. And that is a common problem with a lot of people. Okay, Sanvi, many words are there. What is that, Tanmay? Like, what is that really a word? Hippopotamonstrossequipedaliophobia. That actually is the name of fear of long words. मतलब बीमारी का नाम ही ऐसा है कि आदमी बोल ही नहीं पाएगा अपनी खुद की बीमारी की वजह से. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is that a real word? Wow. That's really amazing. I didn't know. Isko to actually somebody will look at it and it'll be like very difficult to read it. Okay. So do you guys have any specific words just may you face problem like just now Jasmine mentioned that heart goes like hurt. So I've told you mine like appliances and propriety. But now I can speak those words. But earlier, oh my God. And trust me, guys, once what happened, I was like in 6th or 7th standard. And you remember the teacher used to ask us to stand up, by our seats. And Archipelago. Okay, Sanvi. Okay, what do you call it? Archipelago. What do you call it? So my teacher, he asked me to read out a paragraph from the book, and oh my god, I think it had 1,000 times it had appliances in it, and I was like, I myself started laughing because I could not speak the word. Every time I was like, appliances, these appliances, electronic appliances, and oh my god, I remember that day so bad. Okay, yes. So archipelago, yes, it's a little difficult word, so this can happen. Anybody else who would like to tell any word which you faced problem in pronunciating or something like that, maybe? And even with the propriety, guys, once I had a debate competition, and the topic itself has the word proprietorship into it, and I still participated. Can you imagine what mess did I have? I could have made, and I did actually make. So it was very embarrassing though. But yeah, so I think practice can make you work better. Like for example, sometimes it happens like to stay safe. Oh my god, I'm still confused in it. I'm calling it say safe. Yeah. So it happens. It's okay. So practice can, I think, work for you. But this, thank you so much, Tanmay. I did not know that this actually is a word, and this actually is a fear of long words. Okay. Hippo, monstrose, 𝗚𝗢𝗢𝗚𝗢𝗓. Oh my god. Yeah. So thank you so much. I also learned something really, really interesting today. All right, guys, I think we're done for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow with all the left on explanations from today. All right. And till then, stay home, stay safe. Yes. And take care of yourself, guys. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow, and may God bless you all, and spend good time with your family. And yes, please enjoy your day, guys. Okay. So I'm signing off.